Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm bringing you another one. It is a pre-owned JAYCO. I'm gonna have to look and see what year it is, but I have checked around in here and I absolutely think you're gonna like it. It is a bunkhouse, so if you're looking for a bunkhouse at a lower cost but a great unit, this is definitely one that you want to come see. All right, so we're gonna start from the outside. Like I said, it is a JAYCO. It is a 2020 model 284 BHS. It is, let's see, it has one long slide and I believe it has an outdoor kitchen. Yes, and so you see that really long awning. Absolutely love it. It's got your LED lights. And here is your outdoor kitchen. You got a 2-burner, you've got a sink, a fridge, all that you could possibly need to enjoy your time outside for sure. You got your backup camera prep as well. But let's take a look at inside. Now also the outside, it looks really, really great. I do not see any hail damage. Now I haven't inspected it completely, but it looks great. So let's take a look inside. All right, wow. All right, so right away, I don't know if you noticed, but this is spacious. Now, I can't tell if you can tell from this video, but it absolutely has so much space in here. I love it. So you've got your big, beautiful dinette. Of course, it turns into a bed. You've got a nice, comfy couch, also turning into a bed, but it's right across from your big entertainment area. Like, I haven't seen this type of entertainment area like this in a quite some time. So I love it. It's got tons of storage all the way around, and you've got your, giant TV as well. In the corner, you do have your bunks. They're wide, so you can put 2 up here, 2 down here. They're super long too. It looks longer than 6 foot, but it's also got your privacy curtains, and it's super soft. So I love the bunks over here because they're so large, so you're not going to be squished up in the corner. Right here, we've got our bathroom, and this is much bigger than I just walked by it earlier, but I didn't realize how much space there was in this bathroom. So you've got your sink, you've got your, the normal, and then you've got a nice big shower. And I mean, it's actually really wide, wider than I've actually seen before. Plenty of space over here to do your thing. You can hang up your towels, but I love how big this bathroom is. All right, guys. Over here, we've got our kitchen, which has, again, everything you need. A nice big fridge, a microwave. You've got plenty of space in this fridge. You got a 3-burner, you got your oven, and you got a nice, huge sink. Plenty of space over here on the counter to do your thing as well. You got storage underneath and storage above. Also, right here, before we enter the master bedroom, you have another option for more storage. So it's really nice that there is so much storage. You got some cubbies on the side as well. It's really nice to have as much storage as you can possibly fit into an RV. All right, guys, so here is a nice big bedroom. It does have a privacy curtain for the door, but for the most part, you've got this whole wall you don't have the privacy curtain all the way across, so it's really nice. You can put your entertainment, you can walk on both sides, you can hang up your clothes, and you got some space up there, and again on both sides. So nice and big, plenty of space, but this unit is quite, I mean, it's a really, really nice. I like the floors, look really good as well, and they are very hard, like they seem sturdy. It is a JAYCO, so I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. It is a pre-owned unit, so it will go fast. So remember, come see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. Call, text, or email. My information is below. Let me know if you want some more information. Until next time, guys.